Anyone out there have a clean closet? Be honest. No, I definitely don't. When you are rushing to get ready in the morning, it can be tough to keep that part of your room organized. But our organizing expert, Vicki Norris, has some foolproof tips to keep your closet nice and tidy. Take a look.
It's Vicki Norris of Restoring Order, and I'm in my happy place, my own dressing room. Now, some of you may remember this very artful space that I created because I am so visual. And for those organizing tips, just go to my Restoring Order YouTube channel. But today, I'm going to talk about how to restore order to your wardrobe. Okay, the first tip for wardrobing is to get a rolling rack. I love this tool, and it helps me to set out my outfits and do some planning. Now, one thing our order restorers have done for clients in the past is actually set up some outfits using their own clothes and then take pictures of them on their phones and create online photo albums, which is a really great way to do some wardrobing. The other thing you can do is use some of those online apps that are readily available. My other tool that I love is these outfit organizers, and I can actually set out outfits for my kids in these. I actually use these in my RV as well to set out outfits that I'm gonna wear. And so these are some great tools to refresh your wardrobe. And that is one important tip to taking back your morning routine and just making things a little easier. Okay, my second wardrobing tip is to repurpose your clothes using consignment. All of these jeans here I got at my favorite consignment store, which accepts women's clothes and children's clothes. And I have been known to sell my kids' clothes that they no longer wear, to sell my clothes, and exchange them for clothes that are new to me. And I love this consignment option. In fact, last time I went there, I sold some of my kids' clothes, and I picked up some things for me. Now, the cool thing about consignment is that it supports small businesses, it saves money, and it reduces consumerism. The third wardrobing tip is to re-gift. Keep your clothes moving by having an easy donation center right in your closet. I've used this simple little paper bags to keep things going, to donate, and to sell for all those consignment store visits. The cool thing about re-gifting is that it keeps your closet thinned out and it blesses others with things that you're no longer using. A great spring project is to update your closet by refreshing, repurposing, and re-gifting your wardrobe. I hope you've been inspired. Here's to reclaiming your life.
Vicki put together a closet organizing tip sheet. For a copy of that, you can head to our website, kptv.com, for the link.